welcome to my channel Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. I just wanted to do a short video on how I store my extra drills or the drills that just come in with the paintings. I just sort them out and I store them, and then I just work with it. I haven't got that many diamond paintings as of yet, so it might seem easier for me at this point, but maybe I will change it in future once I have a lot of it, and if this doesn't work then I will change it. But for now, this is really something very inexpensive and something that it makes my life easier while I do diamond painting. So this box here that you see on the camera is a wooden box that I found at Goodwill, and it was about $2 and some change, probably 25 cents or 35 cents, don't remember now. And I don't know, I think I went ahead and removed it, and I had got this box a long time ago, like I think it's almost a year now, so don't remember the price for it right now, but I think it was $2 and some change for sure. So what I did is, it's a pretty cool bag. You can see there's latches here, so it helps me open it, keep it shut properly, and then it's a big box inside, so it's good. It has a lot of space right here, so the bottles any height bottles can stay inside. And then I got this packet. I don't know if this is picking up. Let me close this. Okay, so yeah, okay, sorry. So I got this packet from 99 cents, and these bottles are about you get 6 of them for 99 cents, and it doesn't say how many ounces these bottles are, but it's pretty small, but it holds a lot of it. I have an empty one right here, if you can see. It's quite big, and you do get, if there's no 99 cents by your house, you get some in Dollar Tree, but they are half the size of this. But I love these because this carry more drills than the ones at Dollar Tree, and they easily fit in this box for me. I can fit 11 in one row, and then I have 11 horizontally, and then I can store 7 vertically. That gives me space for 77 of these of this small containers. And as you can see right here, I have marked the number up on top of the lid for each drill. So number 150 is interesting because I have 2 kits, and both of them, I know I'm drifting off topic, but I have 2 diamond painting kits, and both have 150. And if they are both from they both use DMC code, they both are a little bit different. This one's the older kit, the one that I got in 2016, is a little bit darker, and the one that I just got recently is lighter. So I'm not sure if when the diamond painting just came out they used DMC code or not, but there is a difference. If you had any differences like this in the same numbers and from 2 different kits, let me know in the comments below. Does this happen frequently, or does it just something that was because it was like 2 years apart and there's shade difference? So yeah, that was one of my finds, but I really like this container for me to store. It's cheap and very inexpensive, because getting 77 of these would cost me about $13 or $14, and then I would have 77 colors in one bag. So that will help me store a lot of drills in just one bag. Sorry, not everybody can find this at Goodwill store. And if you don't worry about it. I have this box right here. I also found this at 99-cent stores, and it is a very nice good quality plastic container, and it has a locking system on the side, so it won't fall. If it falls down, it won't drop all the drills out. But you can open it, and let me just bring one bottle out from the bag right here, and as you can see, it fits in perfectly in the container. And this is a good container too. If you don't find it, try at Dollar Tree. If there's no 99-cent stores near your house, you can just go to Dollar Tree and get some shoebox or something, because this is actually a shoebox right here. It says it's a shoebox, so hey, it helps. It's cheap, and it helps for me to store the drills. As of now, I don't have, like I said, I only had 3 diamond painting kits, but as I grow my collection, I may or may not change how I store my drills. So yeah, this is it, guys. This was just a short video that I just wanted to show you guys how I stored my drills, and how you can store them very inexpensively. You don't have to go out and buy special containers. You can just store it in really inexpensive ways. So let me know how you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and crafty DIY tutorials, and to stay updated with all the new videos that I post out. Click on the bell button, so every new video that comes out, you will get notified about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful evening. Bye. Love you all.